Welcome to Wind Energy Career Gags. This session is dedicated to Maharashtra states, how it is contributing to the wind power potential addition, and what is the total installed capacity in the state, how it is contributing to year on year in terms of wind power new addition. Also, we are going to learn their historical trend, how which is the golden period for that particular state in terms of wind power growth, and we will see what is their rank. Also, you will be going to get a learning gift from us in the end of the video. Let us start. Hi, welcome to Wind Energy Career Gags. I'm Mahendran. In this session, as I said, we are going to learn more about how is the wind energy contribution from the wind power installed contribution from the Maharashtra state. As I said, first thing we will learn what is the ranking as on today based on the installed capacity. Yes, Maharashtra hosts the fifth position in the total installed wind power capacity within India. Also, we will see what is the total installed capacity, which is very important information, might be helpful for all the people who are working in the wind energy or who is studying for any government exams or many way. It will help you. Like you can use this information for your career growth or for the general knowledge or any other purposes you might use it. So the total installed capacity as of now from the Maharashtra state, whatever the latest data available with me and from the government data only. So, I would like to thank at this moment Ministry of New and Renewable Energy and Ministry of Power and all the people who are keeping this data accessible to the common people. That's it's a very important thing for us. So you can see here the total installed capacity in Maharashtra as of now 5026 megawatt, 5026.833 megawatt. This is the total installed capacity, and we will see the year on year contribution also. Like you can see now the Maharashtra, I'm going to change it. This is the Maharashtra year on year contribution. Like this time you might be asking, your mind might like come up with one question, how he click left side one button, automatically everything change. Like, okay, this tip is given in the other video, please check it out. So anyway, I will make separate video for this. Like these kind of small steps or hacks will help you a lot. Okay, let us see now the contribution from Maharashtra, the first data, only the first data. Okay, only first data is the data up to 2002, March 31, March 2002. So till then, the Maharashtra totally it's 400.3 megawatt is total installed capacity. After that, 2002, 3, 3, 4, there is not much contribution. It's very small numbers. And 4 5 2004 5 we are seeing some like 48.8 megawatt. It's almost 50 megawatt, close to the 50 megawatt. 2005 6 you can see here 545 megawatt, a very good number. Then again it is 485.3 megawatt in 2006 7. 2007 8 they cover 268. Then afterwards it's somewhere around less than 200 megawatts only next 2 years. 2010-11 they again come back with 239.1 megawatt, and 2011-12 it is like 400 megawatt. 2012-13 288.6 megawatt. Then very the golden period is 2013-14 1074 megawatt, 1 gigawatt mark crossed. Okay, as of now we covered like almost 5 states. You remember what is the first state, second, third, third and fourth? If not, please check the previous video. People who know, just share it in the comment. What is the number one state as of now in terms of wind power total installed capacity? Okay, so 2014-15 we have 350 megawatt from the state, and 2015-16 220 megawatt. 16-17 again 117, again very less. Then you have 2019-20 200 206.2 megawatt. So after that we are seeing very less contribution from this particular state. from the wind energy sector, but we go to check how other sectors they are contributing. So this will help you to understand or use it, or like continuously using this information for any of your further growth. Maybe if you are part of wind energy sector, this will be helpful for you to like understand how each states are contributing, and how you can also plan to work in different areas. Like you are in O&M, how you can make the decision to work in particular state. Many way it will be going to help you, but the decision is with you. But these data or informations are really like helped me in many time to choose the place to work or the companies to work. Many way it's helped me. As of now, today, what I'm doing, it is because of like all the policy related or all other data whatever available with me. That's only helping me to make a right decision, that is helping me to grow inside the career and many way. Okay, so that's the main reason I am sharing with you. Hopefully this is helpful for you. Next is our gift. So gift is always like I believe or very strongly the one of the very important gift any human being can give to another human being is knowledge. Okay, so we are created very good opportunity to create your like build your knowledge continuously. For that we created our own dedicated website. You can visit our website sustainablelifestylehub.com. I will be sharing you, like you can check this, or you can visit our website, like you can find that in the comment section also. So you can visit our website. There you will get the opportunity to go like dedicated section to learn. There are two way to learn. We have both the way we created here. RE quizzes, which is like we are trying every possible way to contribute to your learning process. One is like I am creating such videos here, you can see it in our channel. And what are the training programs, everything available, that is also shared in our RDRC YouTube channel, Resource Development Research Center, RDRC YouTube channel. You can check there also. I'll again in our website you will get the idea to like you can participate in the quiz. You will get digital certificates based on your participation and scores. Also, like participation certification will be there. Top winners also get the certification. Also, they will going to get real prizes. So this is one way. There are many quizzes available already. You can check that and participate in the quizzes. Quizzes ultimately, we will release the ranking also here in the website. That will help you. Quizzes dedicated to every part of wind energy sector. So you will get overall knowledge. So here like technology related, also some case studies available. You have wind energy basic related questions available. Many things going to be added. So you can participate now. Other than that, there is second way of learning. From here you can ask a question to us if you have anything related to wind energy. Of course you can share it in the comment section. Anyway we are going to watch and reply to you. Already we got some questions also, like for the small turbines. And but the I don't want to miss any question, so answer all the question. So in that way you can use the share your priority question link here. You will be taken to like a dedicated form. Here you can fill out all your questions at a time. You can fill 5 questions. More questions you can add the same form you can use it and add more questions also. So this is the two way you can start learning your start developing your knowledge and learning, and share with the people also. If you found this video useful, please share with your friends, colleagues, who to whom it might be very much helpful. Also the people who might like to learn more about wind energy sector, for them also it will be very much useful. Please share with them. And students, professors, researchers who are in wind energy sector might be very much helpful. You can also share with them, and you can connect with us various mode. Website itself, all the details available, you can check there. I see you in the next video with valuable informations. Surely it is going to help us to contribute to the sustainable development of you and your family, and to the country and to the world. Thank you very much. See you in the next video. Thank you.